On a warm spring day in a conifer forest at about 6,000 feet, scarlet red plants have emerged from the forest floor. They are quite striking and sometimes occur in small clusters. This is snow plant, also known by its scientific name, Sarcodes sanguinea. These plants do not have any chlorophyll and do not photosynthesize. How do they survive? The answer comes from deep underground. The snow plant is part of an elaborate network of connectivity between coniferous trees and fungi. Many conifers and other plants require fungi to thrive. Through a symbiotic association between conifer roots and fungal hyphae, a conifer benefits an uptake of water and minerals, and in return, the conifer provides the fungus with some of the organic products of its photosynthesis. The snow plants take advantage of this relationship by tapping into the network, forming a connection to a specific fungus, Rhizopogon ellenae. The snow plants use the fungus to indirectly steal sugars from the conifers it is connected to. For this reason, snow plants are called mycoheterotrophic, meaning that they receive their nutrition from an external fungal source. Snow plants are always found beneath or very close to coniferous trees. And now that we know how these plants survive without chlorophyll, let's take a closer look at some of the features of these fascinating plants. Snow plant is a member of the Ericaceae and is unusual among the mycoheterotrophic members of the family in not being ghostly white or some shade of reddish-brown in color. Snow plant is found in mature, moist, and shaded forests from 3,000 to 9,000 feet in elevation. The above-ground portion of snow plants emerge soon after the snow melts, or sometimes emerge through melting snow. It flowers from late spring to midsummer. Look for it near conifers, where it can be found growing out of pine needles and other forest duff. Snow plants have leaf-like scales in the inflorescence, which is a stout raceme of densely arranged flowers. Examining the flowers, we can see features that snow plants share with other members of the Ericaceae. The flowers have 5 free sepals that are fleshy and glandular pubescent, and 5 petals that are mostly fused into an urn-shaped corolla. The flowers are pendant, and looking inside, we can see there are 10 stamens. If we cut a flower open, we can see the anthers are tan in color. They dehisce by short slits through which they release pollen. We also see the large, white, superior ovary, which has 5 chambers, and the sticky, bright red surfaces of the stigma. At the end of the season, the above-ground portions of these eye-catching plants will die back and decompose. Snow plants are a good reminder of the extensive, interconnected network between the roots of vascular plants and fungal hyphae, and they illustrate the intricacies of the natural world and the need to think broadly and inclusively when considering conservation and restoration of forest communities. Thanks for watching. To learn more about other members of the Ericaceae, check out our playlist for the family.